What's up, guys? Welcome to another day out with the Bassinator. Today I am at De Hoop. Finally, I've been wanting to come here for a good while, and I finally managed to come out now. I'm here with John, my fishing partner, and his new boat. Awesome boat of his. So we're gonna be fishing De Hoop today and tomorrow for a whole day today and only half a day tomorrow. Gonna have a good day at De Hoop hopefully, and we'll take it from there. Speak to you guys now on the water. What's up, guys? We're on the water now, so first spot, gonna see what we can get. Like I said in the beginning, it's my first time here, so I'm excited. Don't know what to throw. I've got so many things to try, but let's see how it goes, eh? Finally, a bit better of a fish. Not huge, but it's something. Yeah, hit me hard. Yeah. Getting a little bit bigger.
And there's a big catching.
In top water, bro.
Huh?
Yes, he swallowed it.
He went for the line. Waited for it. Casting.
Crazy, eh? A little fishy on the froggy. There we go. Small. Oh, he's in that deep grot. Yeah, that's alright. Not big, but right in the back, eh? I reckon we hang around here somewhere a little bit, dude. This is actually a decent fish. Better fish than, so far it's the biggest fish. And it's in the shallows.
Where's the froggy again?
Frog fishing, finally. This is a bit of the biggest fish we've caught. Not big, but so far the biggest fish.
Check it. Farmer.
Yeah, I'm sure there's more in there. And check it. Ooh. Small one. Top water, that's cool. Yes, he chunked it. Another small one on the frog. Not the size I want, but it is something. Oh, again, man. Must be smaller ones trying to go for it. Like that. It's deep in there. There we go. Small, tiny, but it was deep in there, bro.
That's what she said.
Oh.
Day 2.
What's up, guys? Day 2 at De Hoop. Let's hope we can pick up some bigger fish, because yesterday was tough. We struggled. We had a heavy rainstorm last night, and then it rained till this morning, and we thought we weren't going to fish, but it stopped. So we've got out on the water. It's just after 5, and we're going to be going to our first spot and hopefully catch some big fish. Hopefully my skipper here can get me some big fish for De Hoop. Let's see how it goes. See you in a bit. Yes, sir.
And it's okay.
Finally, a bit better. Look at that. Ah. This fish is warmer. Oh, this fish is coming nowhere.
They eat it properly.
That's like what? 1-4.
Yeah, it's running about it.
Nice. Catching them on the 3D Savage Frog, one after another. All my batteries on my GoPros finished and memory is full. So I'm just gonna have to make these short videos. It's a pity because the top water action is just picked up. So guys, it was a tough day 2. As the same, we struggled again, but at least we picked up a few better quality fish. Jean caught himself a nice 2.74 kilo bass. It should have been about a 3 kilo. It was quite a skinny bass. And then I picked up a few over a kilo, with the biggest being about a 1.5. All on top water frog for me. John was on a jig. So yeah, it wasn't too bad, but still tough. I honestly thought I was gonna catch a couple of tanks from all the stories I've heard about the whip. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Cheers, take it easy, peace.